Hey everyone, I'm back again with another video here, and I had my spark plugs replaced at a place called Tuffy's Auto, and just had the spark plugs replaced to have preventive maintenance on the vehicle, make sure everything stays optimal and keep up on the surface of it and make sure my coil packs don't burn up from being with the worn out spark plugs. But anyhow, I had them keep my old ones here to show what they look like after 56,000 miles of driving. So here they are. I don't know which cylinders they came out of, but I'll show each one individually. It's raining outside, so you may hear that noise on the video. And these were all Autolite AP 104s for the Crown Victoria. Excuse me. As you can see here, both of these have been, it seems like they look pretty good. Nothing black, nothing oily on them. Both of those were good. We'll go through each one of these here. Alright, I ran out of memory. So anyhow, back to these spark plugs. So as you can see, they seem to all be doing really well on being in the vehicle for almost 60,000 miles. Another one with the white tip on there. Might be a little bit lean, but it's not bad though. See if I can get that to focus. I can't get it to focus. Oh yeah. Okay. Got 4 more to go. They're all pretty much the same. Oh, it's a little darker. In the last one, as you can see here, the spark plugs were about the same, 56,000 miles. They were installed before with new coil packs, but this time I didn't get any new coil packs. I just replaced these, and the drive seems to be like it drives a little bit better after having the new ones installed. Anyhow, thanks for watching.